one of the biggest talking points of Bitcoin is that you can divide Bitcoin into 100 million parts. It's called a Satoshi, which is 100 millionth of a single Bitcoin. So if Bitcoin were to go to billions or trillions of dollars a coin, you could there will always be a good enough supply, right? Because 100 million times the 21 million Bitcoin that are out there, that is 21 times 2100 millions is trillion. So 2.1 quadrillion Bitcoins that there are. Now, a big complaint about gold is how there's not enough gold to back all of the currency in the world. And it made me wonder how many units of gold there would be if we could divide it up, just like we divided Bitcoin. Now, the equivalent of a Satoshi of Bitcoin would be probably 1 atom of gold, right? So to find out how many atoms of gold there are in an ounce, what we could do is look at the atomic weight of gold. So 1 mole of gold weighs 196.97 grams. There are 31.1 grams in an ounce. So about 6 ounces of gold is 1 mole. 1 mole has 6 times 10 to the 23 atoms. So every ounce of gold can be divided about 10 to the 23 times, or much more so than 1 Bitcoin. And I think there are about 5 billion ounces of gold ever mined in human history, right? So we take 5 billion times 6 times 10 to the 23. We get 30 times 10 to the 32, right? So about 3 times 10 to the 33. With the Satoshis, we had, 2 times 10 to the 15, right? So there are about 10 to the 18. I don't even know what that number is called. Let's see. 10 to the 12 is trillion. 10 to the 15 is quadrillion. And then we got quintillion. So there's about a quintillion times more atoms of gold than there is Satoshis of Bitcoin. So we got plenty of gold to back the currency. If you believe that Bitcoin can back the currency, you better believe that gold could back the currencies of the world.